italienne, Eric, elle a 50 ans aujourd'hui, on s'est marié. On l'embrasse très très, mais alors très très fort. Elle va toujours...
dans vos bras.
À limite, on se rapproche. La chanteuse polonaise britannique Valdia aujourd'hui à 60 ans. Or 8 weeks for them to finish off the job. It wasn't as if your mum went excuse me, and got somebody in there, Speedy Gonzalez, before they had a chance to get back and do the job.
No, there was plenty of time for Irish water to come back and actually, connect that meter. No, this was left. And I know for a fact there's at least 4 more people on that street have done the very same thing.
What?
Yeah.
На телефон 883315 нашата слушателка от село Лехчево. Ако правилно съм записала, Монтанско, Благород Карашева. Здравейте, госпожо, кого искате да поздравите?
Искам да поздравя 3 приятелки, които от година наред се трудят в село Лехчево.